My name is Georgia Boggs. I am both a varsity athlete and the Student Council President at the Academy of the Holy Names. And on behalf of the student body, I want to thank you for being here today at our Golf Classic in support of our school, our students, and our athletic program. At Holy Names, I don't have to just be one thing. I can be an athlete, a student leader, a scholar, and an artist. My teachers encourage me to pursue every opportunity and treat everything as an experience, something to help me discover who I am and who I want to become. What makes Holy Names so special is that we are never asked to choose between our passions. I will use myself as example. I've been on the varsity volleyball team since my sophomore year at Holy Names. This entails 2 hours of practice every school night and game nights where I sometimes don't get home till 9:30 or later. I have also been on the varsity track and field team since 8th grade, as well as playing club volleyball since my freshman year. Being an athlete is something I pride myself in. It's a huge part of who I am, and hopefully something I can continue to do in college. But on top of being an athlete, I am also driven to help make our school environment the best it can be for our students. This is why I decided to get involved with Student Council, and I'm now taking the role of president. Having a smaller school allows me to more easily communicate with the student body and try to incorporate their thoughts and ideas into all of our events. During past club volleyball seasons, I have heard countless comments from my public school friends about how stressed they are about their grades and their regents, etc. I try to sympathize with them, but I've never really felt how they feel. AHN provides me with an environment that allows me to have time to balance my athletics, my academics, and any extracurriculars that I wish to involve myself in. As our school grows, so do our programs, along with the support needed to ensure every student's full participation. If a program like cheerleading grows, the Booster Club and school invest in more coaching and equipment rather than limiting participation. When opportunities arise, like adding a modified volleyball team, we create space instead of making cuts. If a team is small, it is no less important. We continue to support and celebrate it because every girl's passion matters. We want every girl to have the opportunity to be part of the teams, programs, and traditions that makes the Holy Names experience special. Whether that's class rings, going to volleyball, or attending the National Catholic Youth Conference, our leadership and teachers are dedicated to making sure there are no limits on opportunities. Your generosity makes all of this possible. Your belief in our mission of Holy Names and your willingness to invest in us gives girls like me the access to the opportunities to help us grow, lead, and learn. On behalf of all of my classmates, thank you for making sure Holy Names is a place where every girl can try, discover, and thrive in athletics, leaderships, the arts, and inside the classroom. Without your support, none of this would be possible. Thank you for being here, for supporting me and the rest of the student body, and for making such a difference in our high school experiences. Thank you.